So this is the balancing machine for the Mighty Orange. The KTM rim, the front rim is on now. Okay, I'm just doing the shitty job. The spindle's greased, ready to go in. That's going to sit there just there nicely. Okay, this is Flapjack and Beans. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're at National Tyres at Hemsworth, near Wakefield, for some new rubber fitting. And this is where we're at. This is the place here, look. So I'm just keeping away from that music playing because it's not YouTube friendly. But anyway, so yeah, the Mighty Orange is having a new pair of tyres on. So we'll just see how they balance them up and make sure they don't scratch the rims and everything will be good. So this is where the magic happens in here, you see. There's Major Mo. Say hello, Major Mo. There's Major Mo, look there, look, waiting. And here they are, the Continentals. ZR rated with the W on there, they're the boys. The Z for your KTM. I'm just filming machine. Look at that, perfect. So this is the balancing machine for the Mighty Orange. The KTM rim, the front rim is on now. And we've got some nice black wheel weights for it. Here's the rear wheel going on. There we go. There's your tyre sensor there, look. That's what that little baby is there, look. There it is.
Okay. Final question.
Tyre at Hemsworth, near Wakefield, and just look at the client's chair, what you have to sit on before you get a bill. Imagine that. I mean, you get a big bollock sat there, and then you have to stand up and see these young lads here. Look, these are the boys here. Look for the invoice. That's Major Mo over there. Say hello, Major Mo. Hello, Major Mo. So we'll catch you later when we get back. Put these rubbers on the Mighty KTM, the Mighty Orange. Get the sticky stuff remover to get rid of the old wheel weight sticky stuff. The weights, by the way, are 25 grams roughly on each wheel. That's had to have, which it's not too bad. Can't even find it. Is that noticeable? There it is. These are the ones that are going on now. The Continental Trail Attack 3s. So okay, I'm just doing the shitty job. The spindle's greased, ready to go in. That's going to sit there just there nicely. Keep your spacer handy as well, which is here. That's going to go in. I've greased both sides of the bearing there, and this side here, your other side has that little spacer in there. Make sure you get that sucker in, and then we've got to get him in here. So a bit of grease on the spacer here. I always put too much grease on. I like a lot of lube myself, but there you go. That goes in there like that. So they tell me, and I think so. Yeah, it's in Mo. It's in Mo, she says. This is Major Mo helping her now. So now we're going to get the old shaft here. And Mo's going to... Oops. Mo's going to line it up. That shaft there, Mo. Mo, in that hole. Come on, Mo, keep up. Not in line. No. So continuing on, we're just putting on the calipers and the speed sensor. I'm just going to look for some Loctite, which I'm just going to find in a moment. Yeah, so what they recommend for the Loctite is this item here, look. It's Loctite 243, which is a blue dab. And it has this little lock on, because I was squeezing it thinking, why the fucking hell is it coming out? Now remember, you have to just do it. It's a good idea. Now they've changed a few things, things have moved on. So that's that on, we've blue dabbed them. Okay, let me apologise for the Rode wireless mic. Transmitter is packed in. I don't know why it's packed in, but here we are anyway. We're just going round now looking at torque settings and checking everything. We're putting in the rear wheel, obviously. There was a bit of crack going on in the banter in the garage as there usually is, but I'm afraid we bollocks that up this time with these Rode mics. I have bought some new DJI mics, which I've not tried yet. I've tried them on the drone. I'm going to now start trying them narrating or vlogging, and also while I'm riding. I don't know what it is. I mean, I thought the Rodes were good mics, but they seem to have, I don't know, they're just not holding the charges for whatever reason. But anyway, back to the video. Right now, what we're doing, we're putting in the rear wheel. There is a bit of a tricky bit. Obviously, there's that space in which you don't want to get on. You have to get your caliper opened up good, nice and wide, a floating caliper for your disc to go in, which is what we're doing now. We're making sure the disc and everything goes in, the spacer goes in, and obviously your chain adjusters on the other side and both sides, and then the shaft comes in, which is what we're doing now. Then we tighten it up. I think it was 90 Newton meters or something like that, but we always check the torque settings according to the manual, tighten them up according to the manual, put the torque settings on, check it, make sure the chain's on, make sure the chain's adjusted correctly, which it was, with its alignment still there. Everything was good there. Then once we've got the back wheel on, then we can now go and bounce it off the ramp to just compress the front forks, which is what we do next. Tightening up the front wheel, as I said, they're torqued up, and now we're fitting the Acra, making sure all the fibre washers are both sides of the bolts. Put a little bit of grease and thread it through, make sure it's through. You'll see when you put the carbon fibre bit on, which you'll see next, there are these two little, they're like what do you call them, like felt washers, but they're not felt, I forget what they call the substance, but anyway, they're little round washers. Make sure you put one through your screw, and then put the screw through your carb, and then put the other one just tightening up a screw length so you can see the other washer going through, and then line it up on the hole, and you'll see everything works well. So you've got a screw, a washer, your carbon fibre bit, then another washer, and then into your threaded hole. There's three little holes there, three little screws. I'm sure you'll do that fine, but just a little thing to know that you have to do. And here we are now. We've got me bouncing on the bike. We took it off the ramp, we've lowered the ramp, and now we're going to compress the front forks, which they tell you to do, which we used to do on BMW. You just centralises everything, put in brakes working fine, everything's there, is put that down, and then we jacked it back up, and then did the front wheel torque, and also the pinch bolts on the spindle. They need to be torqued to as well. So all the torque settings are in your manual. I think it was, I don't know, I can't remember now. I think it was 32 on the front wheel, I can't remember, something like that. But anyway, we torqued it all up, everything was good. Give it a good spin, I look round, and then it's ready really for road testing, which will have unfortunately be done on Saturday because I've got other things to do unfortunately until then, but we'll see how it goes. So once again, let me apologise for the shitty sound or no sound on this last bit of the clip. I don't know why, but anyway, shit happens, doesn't it? It's a real thing. So I can't lip sync what I'm saying to you there in the video, but basically what I'm telling you, the Mighty Orange is all ready, and we'll have a nice ride Saturday, I'm sure, and we're going to Spitfires and Nylons. Which is a 40s weekend, so we should get some decent footage for you there and make a little bit of a video, have a bit of fun. So thanks for watching, and if you fancy subscribing or give us a like, it will help the old man out on the channel. Thanks a lot and ride safe, take care.